Amish Cinnamon Bread recipe. Amish Cinnamon Bread is a no-knead sweet bread made with a few common ingredients. Great as a quick breakfast or dessert. Ingredients. For the bread: 1 cup, 2 sticks, challenge butter, softened 2 cups granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 cups buttermilk, 4 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking soda for the cinnamon sugar topping. Teacup granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon. Utensils: 2 9x5-inch loaf pans, handheld mixer, mixing bowls, spatula, butter knife, toothpick, cooling rack. Amish cinnamon bread without starter on white plate. How to make Amish cinnamon bread instructions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease 2 9x5-inch loaf pans and set aside. In a large bowl, cream together the butter, sugar, eggs, and vanilla using a handheld mixer. Using a rubber spatula, add the buttermilk, flour, and baking soda just until combined. In a small bowl, combine the cinnamon sugar topping ingredients and mix well. Divide half of the batter between the 2 prepared pans. Evenly sprinkle 3/4 of the cinnamon sugar mixture over the batter in both pans. Spread the remaining batter evenly over the top of both pans. Evenly sprinkle the remaining cinnamon sugar over the top of both loaves. With a butter knife, cut a few swirl marks through the batter in both pans. Bake for 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted near the center tests clean. Allow the bread to cool for 20 minutes in the pan before removing to wire racks to cool completely.